Raipur, Thane, Indore, Nagpur, Dharamsala, Ludhiana. Truck drivers across the country are protesting. The Chakka Jam, called by drivers' unions, has resulted in long serpentine queues at petrol pumps and elsewhere. Why? All because of a change. A change brought in by the Modi government meant to address accident fatalities.
एक बदलाव किया है कि कोई गाड़ी चलाता है, टक्कर लग जाती है, इरादा नहीं होता है, व्यक्ति इंजर्ड हो जाता है और फिर वो व्यक्ति पुलिस थाने में फोन करता है, 108 में फोन करता है, अस्पताल में पहुंचाता है, तो इसका इरादा मारने का नहीं है। इसके लिए हमने कम सजा का प्रावधान किया। मगर जो टक्कर लगाता है और जो विक्टिम है उसको मरने के लिए छोड़कर पुलिस या अस्पताल को सूचना नहीं देता है और फिर पुलिस पकड़ते लाती है, हिट एंड रन केसों में 10 साल की सजा का प्रावधान हमने किया है, जिससे ऐसे लोगों को अनिवार्य बन गया।
That bite was from the winter session of the parliament, during which the Modi government passed the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, and the Bharatiya Sakshi Bill 2023. Under these legislations, overhauling changes were made to India's criminal justice system, which replaced the IPC, CRPC, and Evidence Act. And the hit and run law was one of the laws which were changed under the recently proposed but yet to be enacted changes. If the changes proposed are enacted, then those accused of fleeing the site without reporting an accident could face a 10-year jail term and a fine. The new law has two categories. First figures those who cause death by negligence. That is, anyone whose actions cause death by reckless behavior that does not constitute culpable homicide could face a 5-year prison sentence as well as a fine. And the second category is for those who decide to flee after an accident resulting in death that does not amount to culpable homicide but do not report the incident to authorities could face a jail term of up to 10 years and a fine. Now, a cursory glance at the proposed changes seem reasonable. I mean, if you hit someone, inadvertently as it might be, you must report it or face the full wrath of the law, which would be even more severe in case you decide to leave somebody dying on the street hoping you'd manage to get away with it. But then why should truck driver unions have an issue with it? Do they want the license to hit and run in a manner of speaking? Well, of course not. So then why are they protesting? According to Bal Milkeet Singh of the AIMTC, currently an unsaid rule of blaming the larger vehicles is blindly followed in the country, without considering scenarios who's really at fault. Furthermore, transport unions are also of the opinion that a fair investigation into the cause of accidents rather than automatic blame on heavy vehicles is crucial for justice. And according to them, in many hit-and-run cases, the driver does not flee with the intention of evading responsibility for the accident. Instead, they run to protect themselves from an angry mob. Whether you or I accept that reasoning or not, the fact of the matter is that this opinion is not far from reality, at least in some cases. Then what's the way forward? Should the government wait for the protests to die down and enforce these laws regardless? Or should a few more provisions like establishing protocols which could address the issue of automatic assigning of the guilt be addressed? Well, that's not what the transport unions are demanding. They want the law to be withdrawn and have sent a petition to the PM's office in this regard. And in the meantime, the protests called by the unions are leading to long queues outside petrol pumps, which is disrupting the regular flow of goods across the country. And so this issue needs to be addressed sooner rather than later. A way forward needs to be figured out. Some, like the Nashik District Petrol Dealers Association President Bhushan Bhosle, are of the opinion that if the agitation is not called off soon enough, many petrol stations can run out of petrol, causing discomfort to the public. What do you think is the way forward in this matter? Don't forget to share your opinions with us in the comment section. Please like and share this video and subscribe to The Mint.